don't you meditate? Meditate on me. In me you find a friend for all your life. Come back to me, come back to me. I'll protect you and show you things that you can do. I'll be the best friend you'll ever have. I'm a cool guy and I'm waiting here for you. Come and discover me. 'Cause I am free, free as a bird. And you're the ruler of this little blue earth. Free, free as a bird. And I'm the ruler of this little blue earth. Don't be afraid, 'cause I'm always reaching out. Turn your eyes inside, turn them inside. My dwelling place is in the middle of your heart. Come on and shake my hand, you'll understand. I'm always calm and you're always on my mind. You'll have the time, all of the time. My name is God and I love you oh so much. Come close to me, I'll give you eyes to see. 'Cause I am free, free as a bird. And you're the ruler of this little blue earth. Free, free as a bird. And I'm the ruler of this little blue earth. You do. Why don't you meditate? Meditate on him.